The financial services group runs its quality management system workflow across 4 Confluence spaces. Keeping approval processes consistent across all of them used to mean managing workflows one space at a time, until it started using Comala Document Management Global Workflows. To view global workflows, navigate to Comala Document Management under Apps. This gives Confluence site administrators a single place to create and manage workflow states, rules, and transitions, ensuring consistent review and approval across the organization. The firm's compliance team manages global workflows. For each workflow, the dashboard shows its visibility toggle, name, and description, any trigger label, and how many spaces it's linked to, with an Actions menu to manage it further. Let's link the quality management system workflow to the risk space. To do so, navigate to the risk space, then click Comala Document Management under Space Apps. This is the Risk Space Workflows dashboard. Click Link or Copy Workflow, select the Quality Management System workflow, and choose Link. Risk Space now inherits this workflow automatically, scoped global, active workflow in this space, but can't be edited at the space level. Any future updates to the global version automatically apply to the space level. Now let's copy the same workflow into the internal controls space instead. Click Link or Copy Workflow. This time, choose Copy. This creates an independent version scoped to the space that the internal controls team can customize without affecting the original global workflow. Next, let's look at label-scoped workflows. The audit team wants to use a centralized workflow across all its pages, each tagged with the audit label. Navigate to the Comala Document Management Space Workflows. Click Link or Copy Workflow, select the Audit Management workflow, and choose Link. The audit space now inherits this workflow, scoped as global with the audit label shown. Navigating to the space pages, you can see the workflow applied automatically wherever the label appears. No manual assignment needed. Workflows and labels stay in sync in both directions, though the page can take a moment to reflect the applied state. Refresh if it doesn't appear right away. Now, let's get back to the Global Workflows dashboard. The linked space count now updates to reflect the newly linked spaces. The Actions menu lets us view workflow details, duplicate it, edit it in the Visual Builder or Code Editor, delete it, or check its version history. Let's check the version history of the audit management workflow. Every edit is saved as a version. You can view the JSON behind any prior version or click Revert to restore it instantly. Reverting creates a new version so nothing is lost, and the change applies globally across every linked space right away. That's global workflows, one dashboard, full control, applied consistently across the organization. Thanks for watching.